Hi everyone, I am Nandini and my friend name is Rishita. In this video, we are going to explain two topics, twin prime numbers and count the number of words in a string. We are guided by Dr. M. Prasad sir. Let's go through the video. Our problem statement is to write a C program to identify and display all twin prime numbers within a given range specified by the user. Coming to the program, we have to include header file, that is stdio.h. I am defining the main function and now declare integer variables lr and ur. Here I wrote printf statement to enter lower bound and then upper bound. As you can see in the further step, I am calling a function twin prime. Then the compiler searches twin prime in entire program. Then it will arrive at void twin prime. The values of lr and ur which are in main function are simultaneously assigned to lr and ur in twin prime function, and I want to check the values of lr and ur, so I write a printf statement. Here I wrote a for loop to print twin prime numbers initializing lr to I, and the loop iterates until the condition fail inside the loop. I wrote if statement. In that I call a function is prime. Then the compiler checks the function name in the program. Then it goes to int is prime function. The value of I in twin prime function is defaultly assigned to variable n. The main aim to this function is prime is to check whether the number n is prime or not. The if statement indicates whether n is negative or n is equals to 1, it returns 0, which is nothing but not a prime number. For more than one number, we are writing for loop. Suppose n equals to 2, in the if condition 2 module 2 equals to 0, it returns 0, so it is not a prime number. If the number n is prime, the function returns 1. Coming to the twin prime function, if condition is true where I and I plus 2 are prime numbers, we are writing printf statement to print twin prime numbers I and I plus 2. If the if condition is failed, the compiler goes to main function and returns 0. Let us run the program.
Now let us move on to the next program. The program is to count the number of words in a given string.
First, we have to include header files. Hash include stdio.h, and then we have to include hash include string.h. As we are using the string functions in the below given code, so we have to include this header file. Now let us write void main. Now open the curly braces. Let us declare the required variables for this code. Int length comma count equals to 0 and I. Now declare the required string for this program, that is word of 50. Now write the printf statement and then scan it using gets. Let us store the length of the given string in the variable length using the string function strlen. Length equals to strlen of word minus 1. Now let us write the for loop. For of I is initiated to 0, I less than or equals to length, and I is incremented by 1. Now open the curly braces. Now write the conditional statement. If word of I is equals to space, then the count is increased by 1. Now close the curly braces. The first statement is completed. After the completion of first statement, the I is incremented to the length plus 1. As I is incremented by length plus 1, to check the last letter of the given string, we need to decrement I by 1. Now let us write the conditional statement using if. If word of I minus 1 is equals to space, generally number of words is equals to the count. So write the printf statement. Number of words is %d, count. Now write else if word of I minus 1 is not equals to space, then the number of words is count plus 1. So write the printf statement. Number of words is %d, count plus 1. Now close the main.
Now let us run the program to see the output.